Tanner here from Build, Grow, Scale, and I want to talk to you about how to instantly double your Shopify sales in 6 easy steps. Okay, the way we do that is through 6 core optimizations, all right? The first optimization we focus on is the store structure. This is how is your store laid out, how does it function, how does the buyer move through it as they go through the buying process, and we take care of some optimizations there. The next thing we move into is the product pages. This is where we really focus on getting that add to cart percentage really, really high. From there, we move into mobile usage, since over 80% of your buying traffic coming from Facebook is mobile, okay? And then we move into the checkout, where we optimize the cart and the checkout process, because these are your best people to convert, right? Then we move into performance, because the better your store performs, the faster it loads, the faster it operates, the higher your conversions are gonna be. And then we move into a recovery phase, where we actually dial in all these different recovery aspects that kind of bat clean up and help optimize your traffic, make sure you're recovering as much lost revenue and plugging all those holes in your site as possible. Now, these 6 optimizations, there's kind of a lot to them. They're easy to do, but you gotta know what to do. So what we've done is I've created a 1-hour training workshop where I teach you the what, the why, and the how of each of these 6 optimizations, and I give you tons of examples from real-world successful Shopify stores, screenshots, the whole shebang, nothing blurred out, so you can see exactly what I'm doing, how we're doing it, and why it's getting us the results we're getting. So I'd like to invite you to attend this training. So click the link above if you're on mobile, or click the link below if you're on desktop to register for this workshop, and I look forward to helping you blow up your store.